Model, 67 plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.0 Luton box van rear barn doors starts runs needs repair 6 No Vat nary. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 237997. MOT, the 8th of August 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, van starts and runs. Van's had a new cambelt fitted but is now popping from intake suspect broken rocker or worst case bent valve thinking face old belt in the van had shredded some teeth weary grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez.